monkey hat?
Because...
Okay, let's see what I can do. Holy crap! Oh my goodness. I can do the monkey bars!
Yay!
Oh, I can wear my monkey hat! Ah! Holy crap, I can do the monkey bars! Yay! Look at how big these pants are, jeez. They're stretchy pants, they're not supposed to be too big. Bah.
Can't we help?
Did you see me do the monkey bars?
Yes, I did! Congratulations!
God, I want to do that again. I did it the better way that time.
Woohoo!
Rock climbing, does it? Oh my goodness. That was super exciting.